Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have a 2012 Subaru Legacy, and in this video I'll show you how to replace your taillight bulbs in case if you have to. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the trunk. Open the trunk. Alright, so over here what we do have, actually we have a lid. If we open it we can actually change the bulbs from inside, but we're gonna go a different route. We're gonna remove this plastic piece here. We're gonna unscrew it, and we're gonna have a little, like an inch extra space, because it is really tight there, and extra space will really help. So let's remove this thing. Just drop it here. We will reuse it later, and now we can just bend over this trim. Over here, as you can see, we have all the bulbs we're gonna need. Then the Subaru made it easier for us to get here, which is nice, thank you. And so let's look, this is how you change them. So let's say, I believe this should be the brake light, or maybe not actually, so we have to double check that. And this is how you remove it. Okay, so once we have this out, we have the replacement bulb, and we changed it. Same way, you're gonna replace it, put it back in and spin it in. Over here you have two extra bulbs. Okay, one here on the bottom. Same way, you put your hand in, spin it and pull it out. Okay, and same way to put it back in. Put it back in. Sorry about the shakiness. Okay, and another one is right here. Okay, so the orange one is the turn signal. Okay, so I believe the top one is the brake light. This on the left is the reverse light, the backup light, and this will be the turn signal. Okay, so same thing, we're gonna be putting it back inside and spin till it clicks. Okay, so this is actually very simple procedure. So okay, once you're done, you just close the lid, close everything up, and put your plastic piece back in place and spin it in. Okay, once you spin it in, you can just hide your trim in the plastic rubber, so it's gonna look better. Okay, and over here. Okay, we're all set. So guys, this is how we do it. It's actually very simple, same thing as with the other side. And if this helps, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.